got it almost to the net. Taking his helmet off, the 5:55, so he is going, he's getting out, Mark Carter. We have 4 left running. Expert team from all fathers, 10-13 Gary Heil and 13-14 Andy Lexu. And look at Louise Johnson, 42. She's looking good. It's not been hit that many times. She's a battling mortician from Long Beach. Defending champion. Unscathed. Gary Heil nails her from the rear. It's built up by expert team. 10-13 Gary Heil and 13-15 Andy Lexu. Relatively unscathed. 13-14 through. If she's out with a broken Motorhome or not, 42. So it's Heil and Lexrud, and at this point it looks like it may be Gary Heil winning this. Lexrud is not moving. No, he is. He's going to hit Heil! He's going to hit Heil! Johnson is out, and he hit her instead of Heil. And